When it comes to improving your home's curb appeal and energy efficiency, few upgrades make as much of a difference as a properly installed door. However, many homeowners in Des Allemands underestimate how easy it is to make costly mistakes during the installation process. Whether you're replacing a front entry door, patio door, or interior doors, avoiding the following common errors can save you from headaches and expensive repairs down the road. Incorrect measurements. The most frequent mistake in door installation is taking inaccurate measurements. Even a difference of half an inch can cause serious issues, such as poor alignment, gaps, or the door not fitting at all. Homeowners often measure only the width and height but forget to include the door jamb, rough opening, and threshold height. Tip: always measure multiple times from top to bottom and side to side. If you're replacing an existing door, remove the trim to measure the rough opening rather than just the visible frame. When in doubt, consult a professional door installer in Des Allemands to ensure precision. Ignoring local climate conditions. Des Allemands experiences a humid subtropical climate, which can cause wood to swell, warp, or rot if not properly treated. Many homeowners choose doors based on appearance alone, overlooking how the material will perform in local weather conditions. Tip: choose materials that resist humidity and temperature fluctuations, such as fiberglass or steel. These options are durable, energy efficient, and require minimal maintenance compared to wood. Additionally, ensure the door seal and weather stripping are designed to handle the Louisiana humidity to prevent moisture damage and air leaks. Improper leveling and alignment. A door that's not level or plumb will never operate correctly. This mistake often happens when installers rush or neglect to use a level throughout the process. The result is a door that swings open on its own, rubs against the frame, or fails to close properly. Tip: use a level and shims to keep the door square during installation. After securing the door, check the swing and latch alignment multiple times before tightening the screws. A few extra minutes of adjustment can prevent years of frustration. Skipping the sealant and insulation. In Des Allemands, where humidity and storms are common, failing to seal and insulate properly around the door frame is a major error. Unsealed gaps can let in drafts, water, and pests, significantly affecting comfort and energy costs. Tip: apply high-quality exterior-grade caulk around the perimeter of the frame and use expanding foam insulation to fill gaps between the frame and wall. Don't overfill, as excessive foam can warp the frame. A properly sealed door keeps your home comfortable and protected year-round. Using incorrect fasteners or hardware. Not all screws and nails are suitable for door installation. Using the wrong fasteners, especially short or weak ones, can cause the door to loosen over time, particularly in Des Allemands' humid climate. Tip: always use corrosion-resistant screws that are long enough to penetrate the studs behind the door frame. Avoid drywall screws, which lack the strength needed to support a heavy door. Quality hardware ensures your door remains secure and durable. Overlooking the threshold and weather stripping. A poorly installed threshold or worn weather stripping can lead to drafts, leaks, and pest entry. Many homeowners either skip this step or reuse old materials, thinking it won't make much difference. Tip: replace old weather stripping and adjust the threshold to create a tight seal. In areas prone to flooding or heavy rain, consider a raised threshold to prevent water from seeping inside. Not hiring a professional installer. While DIY projects can be rewarding, door installation requires precision and experience. A professional installer in Des Allemands understands how to handle local conditions, select the right materials, and ensure your door functions perfectly. Tip: look for licensed and insured installers with positive reviews in your area. A small upfront investment in professional installation can save you from costly repairs later. Final thoughts: avoiding these common door installation mistakes is key to ensuring your home remains secure, energy efficient, and beautiful. In Des Allemands, where humidity and weather can quickly expose poor workmanship, Getting it right the first time makes all the difference. Whether you're upgrading your entryway or adding a new patio door, precision, proper materials, and professional installation will ensure long-lasting performance and peace of mind.